welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This one is for October of 2020. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. They had the cutest, I'm not sure if you would call this astrology themed because it's not really, but I mean, the bag's really cute. It says, "Your magic" on the back. So it's almost like a little zodiac with like lips, lipstick, a brush, a heart, the Ipsy logo, a moon, a mascara wand, and like a compact. I look at the little pull tab. It's a moon and star. I love it. I love it. So let's start with the things that were too big to fit in the bag. Also some bonus stuff, but this was one of the things that was meant to go in there. Actually, let's get the card out first. We'll do it this way. Your magic. Hashtag Ipsy Magic. With a pinch of shimmer and a wave of your mascara wand. Cute. This month, cast a spell on yourself, whether it's nailing the perfect smoky eye or taking that big life leap. Boy, did that ever line up for me for October, huh? Let your intuition guide you to your life goals. Learn all about this month's theme at ipsy.com/blog/yourmagic. So in here, poof, there you have it. Your 5 glam bag products valued at $50+ have magically appeared, ready for any vision you dream up. So the first thing in here is the SL Miss Glam P40 Round Blusher Brush. And it retails for $18.50, so not bad, not bad. We always look to SL Miss Glam for brushes with a touch of fun, sparkle, and personality, like this gorgeous blush brush with an emerald green handle. The synthetic bristles are super soft to touch and blend cream, powder, wet or dry pigments with ease, no streakiness here. Tip, clean your brushes once a week and dry them upside down to keep bacteria away. So, ooh, those are nice. And it's got cute little rhinestones on it. It's got glitter in the handle. It's just pretty emerald green. I love everything about this brush. It is so cute. My goodness. Okay. So just to protect it, I'm going to stick it back in there for now. Next thing. Are either of these? No, these were add-ons. Okay. So I'll come back to those. That is also an add-on, I think. No. This is actually part of it. Okay. So this is the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Salon Volume Lift Mascara in black. This is a deluxe sample size. The full-size version is $25, so just saying. Anyway. Made in partnership with Drybar, known for their fast bombshell blowouts, this mascara gives your lashes insane curl and volume. Like a round brush stylists use on your hair, the unique one gives lashes long-lasting lift, thickness, and definition for 19 times more volume. Tip, wiggle the wand from root to tip for a falsie effect. Well, don't you already do that? Just say? Pretty sure this is black, so, okay. Got that. Very happy about that. Always like when I get mascaras, because I use that almost more than anything. Next is the Essence Cosmetics Pure Nude Highlighter in Popping Champagne. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $10. So, let's see here. What color is... Ooh! Okay. That's pretty. I'm not quite sure how that's going to look on my skin tone for a highlighter, but I guess we'll find out. We found it! The key to glowing well in the fall. This pretty champagne highlighter will light up your best features so all eyes are on you. The easily blendable, buildable formula will take you from subtly luminous to majorly radiant with just a few sweeps. Sweep this onto your forehead, nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, anywhere you want to glow. Cool. You know I like that. Let's see. This is by Complex Culture. It's the full-time eyeshadow in Lavender Metal. Silky blendable color curated for work and play. Experience the full-size palette as well as the luminous eye brushes made to go with it at complexculturebeauty.com. So the full-size version of this is $28. Calling all shadow lovers, curated by professional makeup artists, this shimmery lavender shade goes on easy with your finger or a brush to take the guesswork out of applying shadow when you're short on time. Plus it's ultra pigmented, long wearing, and super buildable. Okay. Ooh! That's pretty. very light. Not sure how much it'll show up on me, but it's pretty. If I had more time today, I would consider wearing that to work today, but I don't have enough time to play with to test it, so I have a day off tomorrow. Maybe I'll play with it then, see how it does, and consider if this is a work eyeshadow or not. And then... oh, this isn't one of the... this was an add-on. This is by Lottie London, and it's the Slay All Day Longwear Matte Liquid Lipstick in Fleek. And honestly, I just thought it was a pretty color, so I got it. And then we have... this has, like, the highest value of anything in this box. It is a sample of the Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil. Retail value for the full size of this, $105. I will happily take the sample size, thank you. So, next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. God, I need all of that. This retinol is a real game changer. The innovative oil formula rewinds the clock while you sleep, but without any of the irritating side effects. Retinol works on a cellular level to increase collagen and elastin production to proteins that keep the skin soft, plump, and firm. Always good. We have another Sunday Riley that I threw in here as an add-on. This is the Autocorrect Brightening and Depuffing Eye Contour Cream. Instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Now, I don't know what the value on this one is since it wasn't on the card, since it was an add-on, but anything Sunday Riley, you know is not going to be cheap. So if I see them in the add-ons, I pounce on them. Now, this palette was an add-on, and I am super excited. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. Look at the shimmer. Yeah. So this is the Celestial Storm. Already looks pretty cool. So you open it up. I'm going to go ahead and block the mirror so we don't blind ourselves on it. Although it does have a really cute tapered shape, just so you can see. Okay, I'm going to block it with the box though. Just so you can appreciate the pretty colors. Actually, let me take that off so you can really get a good look. Okay, there we go. Look at those. They're fucking gorgeous. So our color names are Electric Amethyst, Stargaze, Eternal Light, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, Astrid Lust, Mystic Ice, Zero Gravity, Black Matter, Solstice, and Fireball. Honestly, every single one of these is like a good fall into winter shade in my opinion, so as soon as I get a swatch video up for this palette, I will be having a lot of fun playing with these colors because holy shit balls, they are gorgeous! And then, finally, the last thing in here, I finally own one of these now. You have no idea how bad I wanted one. I was so on the fence about whether or not to add on this add-on because it was like a $25 add-on. Normally, I never go for those on Ipsy. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. They originally had it in pink and in navy blue, and I was still on the fence. And originally was like, nah, I'm not going to do it. And then an hour later, when I came back, they had it in this color, and I was like, oh, it matches my skincare fridge, I'm in trouble. You know I'm buying it. I apparently have a lot of things in this color. So, PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device that uses Sonic Glow technology. It has 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin types. Sonic Glow technology. With 7,000 vibrations per minute, PMD Clean deeply removes the skin's impurities by breaking down dirt and oil from within the pores. The beauty of silicone. Using ultra-hygienic silicone, PMD Clean is odor-resistant, antibacterial, hypoallergenic, and waterproof. Our hassle-free brush head never needs replacing. Customizable for all skin types. A powerful cleansing device with bristles gentle enough for all skin types. With 4 customizable modes, PMD Clean provides a full spectrum of cleansing options. Anti-aging facial massage. Supercharge your skincare regimen by using our Sonic Glow technology to massage serums and moisturizer into skin for a more youthful look. Ditch the cords. Why hassle with cords and recharging? PMD Clean is portable and powered by a single AA battery included. It includes the battery! They never include the battery! Dudes! Dudes! On the side, it shows the soft silicone bristles. On this side, and apparently back is just nubbly. You massage it with the back side. Oh shit, for the serums? Waterproof. Oh my god. This is even cooler than I thought it was when I bought it. Like, oh my god. Sonic Glow Technology, Beauty of Silicone. It already says all that. Bruh. Again, if I had more time to play with this morning. Shit. Like, I've been dying to open this ever since it arrived. Oh, those are hella soft bristles. Holy shit. Oh my god. Dude. And that's the nubbly backside, in case anyone was wondering, but dude. What the fuck was that? I'm not quite sure what this is or why it's here. Unless if it's... Oh wait, yeah, I do. It's probably just like something so I can stand it up on the counter because that's a flat bottom. Okay, never mind. I answered my own damn question because I'm stupid. But anyway. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. It's still a little... Aha! Okay. I get it. I get it. Also, matchy-matchy with what I reviewed this morning. Oh my god, those are so soft! Like, let me go up close so you can see how far they bend over. Like, they're super soft. Like, wow. Even just, like, non-moving, it feels nice on the face. Wow. I can only imagine when it's, like, actually going. Before anybody makes the dirty joke, just don't. I know you're thinking it. I'm thinking it too. Don't make the joke. I'm resisting. You have to resist too. Damn, that thing's gonna be cool. When I've had a chance to properly play with this, I'll do like a full review and let you know how it is, because oh my god, that is actually super nice. Like, I knew it was going to be, because even though I only paid $25 for it, the value they listed on the website, I forget what it was, but I think it was something crazy, like $70-something for what this would normally cost. So I was like, holy shit, that's actually an insane deal. I need to get in on that. So I did. But anyways, let me just collect up these so I can properly deal with them later. Back in the bag for now. Were there any? Yep, there's one more little stew of it. Anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.